Hi guys, it's Dee with Dee Loves Beauty, and so today I'm just coming in to show you this quick and easy DIY vanity mirror that is very cheap. It was very easy. The mirror was purchased from IKEA. The lights were purchased from Amazon, and I just really wanted to come and show you guys a affordable way that you can get LED lights that will allow you to do your makeup easily at your vanity, but it also does not take up a lot of space. It is very a minimalistic design. The round mirrors are actually very popular right now. It is a different look if you don't want to go with the traditional bulb lights that are on the side of the mirrors that are very popular right now. I would actually be using those, but I don't have enough space. So this setup that I'm going to be showing you guys of how I did the mirror, in another video I'll actually show you my whole vanity setup as far as organization and also the way it looks, the final product. I have a small space to put a vanity area in, and I really think it's going to work out perfect for me. So again, I just wanted to show you guys this is what it looks like. Ta-da! And again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe, and please make sure you hit that notification bell to let you know when I'll be doing more uploads. And again, I hope in the future to be doing more DIYs and home decor posts with you guys as well. So if you like this video, please keep on watching. And first, starting off, what I purchased was this Flex LED strip light. And I purchased this from Amazon for $14.99, and it comes with everything you're going to need for this project. So when you open the box, you have a dimmer, and this is going to be used so you can control the brightness of the lights. You're also going to get the actual LED lights, and it comes on this small thing like this. And then you are going to get the power adapter. Okay, and the power adapter is like this. So it's very simple. You're just going to need these three pieces, and then I'm also going to grab the mirror that I purchased. Is actually a mirror from IKEA. It was very affordable. It was only $29.99, and I will list the name of the product in the description box below if you want to go check it out and see if they have one in one of your local IKEAs, or if you actually want to just purchase it online. I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping the LED lights around the mirror, and I'm going to have I'm going to go around twice. So I'm going to start here at the bottom because this is the top of my mirror, and it's going to be plugged into the outlet on the bottom. So I want to start with my lights at the bottom. So there is tape on the back that you can pull off. And I'm going to go ahead and start peeling off the tape at the back. There we go. And make sure when you're doing this that you are not doing this with it plugged in. Safety precautions. Okay, so again, I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug these things so they won't be in the way. And again, I'm gonna start here at the bottom, and I kind of want to focus it towards the end. So I'm gonna go here. This is pretty much the middle, and then I'm just gonna peel and stick. Now what you didn't see me do at the end when I got ready to cut it, there is a line right here that has like a picture of scissors, and that just allows you to know where you can actually cut, because you can't cut just anywhere. So you want to cut right here on this area that has the picture of the scissors, and that lets you know where you can cut on the LED light strips. Alright, so now I have my strips. They have all been placed on the mirror, and I'm just going to go back around and kind of just press down to make sure that they are all pressed down and in place. Okay, there you go. Very bright. It will allow me to do everything that I need to do in my room as far as getting dressed and doing my makeup at my makeup vanity. So again, the lights are on. And if I use the dimmer, you can see this is the brightest setting, and then you can continue to dim it until you turn it off.